Welcome to the sounds of the 70s and Masquerade Ball. You know, Bob Seger put out a song, Old Time Rock and Roll, and it only hit number 39 on the charts in the 70s, but in 2001, it was named one of the songs of the century. It's Old Time Rock and Roll, Bob Seger, the Silver Bullet Band.
Just take those old records off the shelf. I sit and listen.
Welcome to the Sounds of the 70s, and we're going to do a little looking into Elton John, because the 70s were huge for Elton John. He won a scholarship to the Royal Academy of Music, where he studied 5 years, had a blues band in 62. In 67, he met Bernie Taupin. For 2 years, they wrote songs for others, but a debut LP was released, Empty Sky, and their first hit, Your Song, was a #1 hit, which was also a big hit for Three Dog Night. But they didn't stop there, of course. They went to Honky Chateau, and here it is, with the first song released off that, Honky Cat, on the Sounds of the 70s.
When I look back, boy, I must have been green, bopping in the country, fishing in the stream, looking for an answer, trying to find a sign, until I saw your city lights, honey, I was blind. They said, get back, honky cat, better get back to the woods. Well, I
Featuring a little bit from Elton John and his Honky Chateau LP. And after the writing team, Elton John and Bernie Taupin, had their first success with, of course, Empty Sky, they had Honky Chateau, and the first hit released on there was what we just heard, Honky Cat. But their huge song off there that people still play on the radio stations today, Rockin' Man, on the sounds of the 70s.
She packed my bags last night, pre-flight, 0 hour, 9 a.m. And I'm gonna be high as a kite by then. I miss the earth so much, I miss my wife. It's lonely out in space on such a timeless flight. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, 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 I'm a rocket man, burning out his fuse out there alone. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, 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 I'm a rocket man, burning out his fuse out there alone. Mars ain't the kind of place to raise your kids. In fact, it's cold as hell, and there's no one there to raise them if you did. And all the science I don't understand, it's just my job 5 days a week. A rocket man, a rocket man. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, 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 I'm a rocket man, burning out his fuse out there alone. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, 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 I'm a rocket man, burning out his fuse out there alone. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time.
One more from the Honky Chateau album from 1972. one of my favorites, okay? I'm doing one of my favorites now. It was Mona Lisa's and Mad Hatter's.
Now I know Spanish Harlem are not just pretty words to say. I thought I knew, but now I know that rose trees never grow in New York City until you've seen this trash can dream come true. You stand at the edge while people run you through. And I thank the Lord there's people out there like you. I thank the Lord there's people out there like you. While Mona Lisa's and Mad Hatters, sons of bankers, sons of lawyers, turn around and say good morning to the night. For unless they see the sky, but they can't, and that is why they know not if it's dark outside or light. This Broadway's got a lot of songs to sing. If I knew the tunes, I might join in. I go my way alone, I grow my own seed shall be sown in New York City. Subway's no way for a good man to go down. Rich man can ride, and the hobo, he can drown. And I thank the Lord for the people I have found. I thank the Lord for the people I have found. While Mona Lisa's and Mad Hatters, sons of bankers, sons of lawyers, turn around and say good morning to the night. For unless they see the sky, but they can, and that is why they know not if it's dark outside or light. Now I know Spanish Harlem are not just pretty words to say. I thought I knew, but now I know that rose trees never grow in New York City. Subway's no way for a good man to go down. Rich man can ride, and the hobo, he can drown. And I thank the Lord for the people I have found. I thank the Lord for the people I have found. While Mona Lisa's and Mad Hatters, sons of bankers, sons of lawyers, turn around and say good morning to the night. For unless they see the sky, but they can, and that is why they know not if it's dark outside or light. They know not if it's dark outside or light.
Now Now it's time for the sounds of the 70s to go back with Mr. Eric Clapton as he does a huge hit that was written by Mr. Bob Marley, I Shot the Sheriff. But I swear it was in self-defense.
I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot the deputy. All around in my hometown, they're trying to track me down. They say they want to bring me in guilty for the killing of a deputy, for the life of a deputy. But I say, I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was in self-defense. I shot the sheriff, and they say it is a capital offense. Sheriff John Brown always hated me for what I don't know. And every time that I plant a seed, he said kill it before it grows. He said kill it before it grows. I say, I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was in self-defense. I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was in self-defense. Freedom came my way one day, and I started out town there. All of a sudden I see Sheriff John Brown aiming to shoot me down. So I shot him down. I said, I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot the deputy. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot the deputy. Reflexes got the better of me, and what is to be must be. Every day the bucket goes to the well, but one day the bottom will drop out. Yes, one day the bottom will drop out. I say, I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot the deputy. Oh no, I shot the sheriff, but I did not shoot no deputy. Oh no.
Well, he's nicknamed the Piano Man in 1973. It was a hit that stayed with him forever. Singer, songwriter, pianist, Billy Joel.
It's not
9 o'clock on a Saturday, a regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me, making love to his tonic and gin. I'm not really sure how it goes, but it's sad and it's sweet, and I knew it complete when I wore a younger man's clothes. La 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 li li da, la la li li da da da. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody, and you've got us feeling all right. Now John at the bar is a friend of mine. Gets me my drinks for free, and he's quick with a joke or to light up your smoke, but there's some place that he'd rather be. He says, Bill, I believe this is killing me, as a smile ran away from his face. Well, I'm sure that I could be a movie star if I could get out of this place. La 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 di di da, la la di di da da da. Now Paul is a real estate novelist who never had time for a wife, and he's talking with Davy, who's still in the Navy and probably will be for life. Men slowly get stoned. Yes, they're sharing a drink they call loneliness, but it's better than drinking alone. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody, and you've got us feeling all right. It's a pretty good crowd for a Saturday, and the manager gives me a smile, 'cause he knows that it's me they've been coming to see, to forget about life for a while. And the piano, it sounds like a carnival, and the microphone smells like a beer, and they sit at the bar and put bread in my jar and say, man, what are you doing here? Oh, la 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 di di da, la la di di da da da. Sing us a song, you're the piano man. Sing us a song tonight. Well, we're all in the mood for a melody, and you've got us feeling all right.
Well, Have You Ever Seen the Rain was released as a single in 1971 by Creedence Clearwater Revival. and charted highest in Canada, reaching up to number 1. In March, it only made it in the U.S. and peaked at number 8. Anyway, great song. Here it is, Have You Ever Seen the Rain on the Sounds of the 70s.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down Sunday. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop. I wonder, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day. Yeah, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day.
Well, here's an amazing one. The first hit in the U.S. and made it to number 10, and from one of the largest selling LPs written by Roger Waters. First song on the side 2 of the Dark Side of the Moon LP. It's Pink Floyd and Money from 1973 on the Sounds of the 70s.
Get away, get a good job with more pay. You're okay. Money, it's a gas. Grab that cash with both hands and make a stash. New car, caviar, 4-star daydream. Think about me, a football team. Money, get back. I'm alright, Jack. Keep your hands off of my stack. Money, it's a hit. Don't get me back to good bullshit. I'm in the high fidelity first class traveling section. I think I need a lift. So they say, is the root of all evil today. But if you ask for a rise, it's no surprise that they're giving none away, away,
Yes, absolutely right.
I certainly was in the right.
Yes, definitely. I guess he was cruising for bruising.
Are you listening to the sounds of the 70s? Leonard Skinner wrote the song Sweet Home Alabama as a response to Neil Young's song Southern Man. So I think we should hear both of them. Sweet Home Alabama, followed by Neil Young and Southern Man on the sounds of the 70s.
Big wheels keep on turning, carry me home just like you, singing songs about the Southland. I miss Alabama.
thank you for joining me for the sounds of the 70s. See you next time. See you next time. See you next time. See you next time.